Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net. In this video, let us do a quick unboxing and hands-on overview of the Alexa Echo Dot 4th generation speaker. Now this supports 3.5 Aux Audio Out Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa microphone on-off button, and it's compatible with thousands of Alexa skills and services that you can access from Alexa's app. So here you can see it says updated design delivers scripts, vocals and balanced bass for full sound, play music, turn on compatible light, access Alexa, etc. And here you can see the manufacturer September 2020, and the price code on the box is 4,500 rupees. So you can now unboxing. You can see here we have the box pack, and inside we have the Echo Dot 4th Gen. So here it shows some diagrams, and now let us unbox. Here is a setup guide for Alexa. It says tap detection deactivates when microphones on off. Microphone off button. Alexa is designed to protect your privacy. You can see you have some privacy options here. Before setup, let me show you the important information. So here it's certain do's and don'ts with the Alexa, so you should pause the video and read the same, or if you are purchasing this Alexa, make sure to read this document or booklet. Now I have plugged the Echo Dot in, and you can see we have the ring light which is glowing now, which shows that it's getting into setup mode.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
So here we have the same controls. Minus to lower the volume, plus to increase the volume. This button to mute, unmute, this to stop.
This device is ready for setup. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
So we are inside the Alexa's app now, and we add a device, Amazon Echo Dot Plus and more. So we'll click this one. So it's asking me to choose the preferred language. Let me try Hindi now. So now it's found my device and asking to select my Wi-Fi network and connect my Wi-Fi to this Amazon Echo. Make sure my device is connected. So it's connected.
आपका Echo तैयार है.
So the setup is now complete. Alexa, क्या हाल है?
आज जरा फिल्मी मूड में हूँ, तो कुछ बॉलीवुड स्टार्स की मिमिक्री कर रही हूँ. मेरी एक्टिंग आजमाने के लिए कहिए, फिल्मी डायलॉग सुनाओ.
Alexa, आज चेन्नई का टेम्परेचर क्या है?
अभी चेन्नई, तमिलनाडु में ये 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. आज रात न्यूनतम 21 डिग्री होने की संभावना है. वैसे मैं आपकी आवाज पहचानकर आपके लिए अलेक्सा को और बेहतर बना सकती हूँ. क्या आप इसे आजमाना चाहेंगे?
अभी नहीं. Alexa, நீங்க தமிழ்ல பேசுவீங்களா?
क्या आपने कहा ईद मुबारक? तमिल गाना चलाओ.
नहीं. Alexa, can you speak in Tamil?
सहायता के लिए कृपया Amazon वेबसाइट पर सहायता पृष्ठों पर जाएं.
Alexa, अपनी भाषा इंग्लिश में बदलें.
क्या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में बात करूं?
जी.
ठीक है, अब मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में बात करूंगी.
Alexa, can you speak in Tamil?
I can talk English, I can walk English and I can laugh English. I also speak in Hindi and other languages like German and Japanese, and I'm learning more every day. To select a preferred language, go to the device settings on the Alexa app.
So guys, as you can see, the bass on this Echo Dot 4th Gen is quite good, and the sound quality is also really nice. So here you have the microphone mute button, so you can mute like that, and if you press this you can press. So if you press this button you can activate it, activate the voice assistant. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
So if you press this mute button, it won't respond. Alexa, you can see it won't respond. So let me try to play some NCS music and show you the sound quality. Alexa, play Warrior Mortals by NCS.
N stop songs from Geo Savan.
Alexa,
J.
stop. Alexa, play NCS Music Warrior Mortals.
I couldn't find the songs you requested. Shuffling songs by Music Warrior on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Play NCS Infinity Candyland.
Playing Ends Infinity by various artists from Geo Savan.
So this is on full sound now. Alexa, stop. So guys, as you see, the sound quality is quite good enough, and this is a new improved version of Alexa Echo Dot that you can buy. This is a 4th generation one. If you want to purchase the same, a link will be in the description. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. This was a quick video of the Amazon Echo Dot 4th gen. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is Sai Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle, and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is Sai Krishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.